There are fears of a humanitarian food crisis in the northern region of the country as drought continues to loom. The dire situation caused by months of failed rains has led to severe water and food shortage for both people and livestock. Drought monitoring and assessment reports indicate that the hardest hit areas include Marsabit, Moyale and Mandera. The situation in Mandera is getting worse and the leaders are appealing for immediate intervention.
The rains have failed for months. Mandera is just reeling from conflict that has left many dead and tens of thousands displaced. And now a greater humanitarian crisis, drought. Many of the displaced have taken shelter in drought-stricken areas, the worst being in Ramu and Banisa sub-counties.
In terms of the drought situation that has gone out of control as at now to somewhere in most areas severe.
Water sources are drying up. Several water ponds have dried up. The capacity of our boreholes is also diminishing by the day because we are pumping out a lot of water to truck to the communities out there.
The county government says that in spite of the measures it has put in place, with support from the national government and the Kenya Red Cross to mitigate drought, the situation still remains dire.
We appreciate the effort is being done by the national government and the county government, but it's actually now getting out of hand. It requires further intervention.
Livestock farmers are also counting heavy losses. The average daily loss of animals has risen in the last 3 weeks as crucial water sources have dried up. Reserve pasture is also fast getting depleted. Many of the remaining water sources are contaminated, leading to increased incidence of waterborne diseases.
If we don't move in very quickly, then we will be talking of an imminent disaster.
We are fearing for the lives of the people and also the animals towards the county, and I think we need a rapid response so that we can be able to assist the people.
As the county grapples with food insecurity, the situation in Tana River County is a sharp contrast. Farmers who had sold their crop to the county government received their dues. The county government is working closely with the National Irrigation Board to ensure a sustainable supply of food.
Kwa nini msiambie national government badala ya kuleta chakula na gharama zote kutoka Nairobi, muje mununue kwetu, mupatie watu wenu?
Lack of disaster preparedness has remained one of Kenya's development challenges for decades. Experts say that other than emergency response, governments, and particularly those at the county level, should give priority to sustainable production and consumption patterns. Dorcas Wangira, KTN.